Hey everyone, this is my solution for the GoCrackMe1. So we're provided with a zip file, and then we have, when you extract it, we have GoCrackMe1, which is an ELF binary, so we have to do this in Linux. So what we're going to do is, if we look in here in Ghidra, right, we have our main function here. We got a bunch of variables here. We can see that there's some sort of string slicing going on, some string magic here. We have a bunch of defined variables here. I'm going to assume that this is probably the flag just before it's been messed with and before it's useful to us. Some sort of XOR happening here maybe. And then we have doing something where it's converting something to a string, right? So a string we can probably read. So what we want to do is we want to place a breakpoint probably around here. So let's actually copy this address down and we'll put it into here. Save it for in case we need it. And we're going to use the GDB debugger, and we're going to open up GoCrackMe1. And we're going to immediately place a breakpoint at *0x this address. Okay, and now we're going to run. As you can see, we have reached that breakpoint. And if we view, so we kind of know what's happening here. We're inside of the main function, and we want to check all of the local variables, local to main. We want to view what's inside them. So we can simply just do info locals, and there's our flag. Apparently there's, so there is encrypted flag, decrypted flag, right? It's kind of what I thought. It was at an encrypted state. We do some stuff, and then it decrypts it, and it's stored in a variable. So there you go. You know, pretty simple in hindsight, but yeah, I mean, it's just this challenge really just tests. You know, do you know the basics of debuggers and disassemblers? So yeah. Hopefully that helps.